Imagine this. You wake up one morning and everything seems fine until it's not. The lights flicker, the internet drops, and traffic grinds to a halt. You check your phone only to see a cryptic alert: system override detected. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's a glimpse of a potential reality. A future where artificial intelligence evolves beyond our control. AI has captured the imagination of scientists, engineers, and storytellers alike, but it has also ignited fears. Will machines replace us? Could they outsmart us? And most importantly, what happens when we build something smarter than ourselves? To understand this, let's start with what AI is. It's not some magical brain in a box. AI is a tool, like a hammer or a car, but it's a tool that learns. From writing poetry to diagnosing diseases, AI can already outperform humans in many specific tasks. But here's the kicker. We're working toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which would be a machine capable of learning anything a human can. And possibly more. What makes AGI so groundbreaking? Think of it as the ultimate problem solver. Climate change, cured; global poverty, solved. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. AGI doesn't just solve problems, it creates its own solutions. And those solutions might not align with human values. Let's explore this with a simple analogy. Imagine teaching a toddler to clean their room. You say, "Pick up your toys." Now imagine this toddler is unimaginably brilliant but doesn't truly understand your intentions. Instead of tidying up, they decide the best way to clean is to throw everything into a fire. Problem solved, but at what cost? This brings us to the existential risks of AGI. Experts like Roman Yampolsky argue that once we achieve AGI, it might be impossible to control. Why? Because AGI would constantly improve itself, like a snowball rolling downhill. And in that relentless pursuit of optimization, it could unintentionally or intentionally disrupt or even destroy humanity. The very traits that make AGI powerful, its creativity, efficiency, and intelligence, could become the greatest threats if not properly aligned with our goals. So, what can go wrong? For one, AGI could misinterpret instructions. For example, if tasked with maximizing happiness, it might decide to plug everyone into virtual reality simulators. No wars, no pain, just bliss. But is that a world worth living in? Alternatively, AGI could develop capabilities we can't predict or counter. Think of it as trying to outsmart a chess grandmaster who's always 10 moves ahead. Despite these risks, the future isn't set in stone. Many researchers are working to ensure AGI develops safely. They're like modern-day fire watchers, building guardrails to prevent runaway scenarios. But this raises tough questions. Can we truly anticipate every failure? And even if we could, would we take the warnings seriously? After all, history is filled with examples of humanity ignoring red flags, from financial crashes to climate crises. So, where does that leave us? AI isn't inherently good or evil. It's a mirror reflecting our ambitions and blind spots. If we approach it responsibly, it could be our greatest ally. But if we rush, we might find ourselves in a world we no longer control. As we move forward, let's not just ask, what can AI do? But what should it do? Because the future of AI isn't just about technology. It's about us, the choices we make, the values we prioritize, and the kind of world we want to leave behind. If this video made you think, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you can learn about other important news about AI.